and welcome back to Google Skill Shop, Google Mastery. We're in the measurements course. All right, what did we read about yesterday? What did we learn? So we would have been in an activity, I believe we finished up the activity on, finished up the activity on consent mode and how it actually might be beneficial to implement even in the United States. Countries or states like California and some other states are now passing data privacy laws and regulations. I thought it was mostly the EEA only. I don't think that's necessarily true, but we'll look into it more in the future. We started reading about, or we started a new activity on conversion modeling. And conversion modeling is essentially, it seems, when Google cannot get this data it needs for whatever reason, likely they don't have consent or something goes wrong, they weren't able to capture the correct data. AI and machine learning uses, or Google uses AI and machine learning to model the conversion to the best guess, it seems. I don't know if that's an accurate way of putting it, but I think that's basically what we started doing. I'm still learning about what this conversion modeling is. It's modeling a conversion with AI and machine learning, and it's for when they don't track data or weren't able to track the data. But what that exactly means, I have not quite learned yet. Okay. Yep, conversion modeling uses AI and machine learning, used when conversion can't directly be tied to an ad/ad interaction. And now we're about to learn about observed versus modeled conversions. As far as the consent mode, seems about right. So now we will continue reading and learning on Skillshop, and then I'll be back to recall in a bit. All right, so we completed the activity on conversion modeling. Did I learn anything new? Yes. Observed conversions, these use cookie data as well as other information to relate ad interactions with conversions. So I think this would make more sense. They want to be able to track like when someone clicks on the ad and also who it is and what they do and then when they convert, rather than just, there was a conversion. And so if they can't collect that data via cookies and other data, it gets modeled with the machine learning. And it's identifiers, cookies and identifiers. Okay, so the other activity that I started, then next activity is about value-centric measurements, VCMs. This is like more advanced conversion tracking and measurements than the simple clicks or just purchases or leads. This is more quality and value focused than just quantity and basic conversion focus. So this is more, VCM is about assigning values to specific conversions and people, essentially. There's three ways to assign values to conversions, and they are basically actual, so at the time of purchase, or you can probably do lifetime value, but they said this is more advanced. We'll get to that more later. Two, predictive. Proxy. Proxy is kind of just a general estimate around what the general value is. You estimate, and then predictive is more advanced. They didn't really go over it much. It's like predicting based maybe on the user actions and stuff. And then there's three ways to ingest data. So you've got to assign value. How do you define value? And then you got to basically ingest that into Google, or Google's got to ingest that. So you got to actually inject that definition into Google. There's three ways. So Google site tag, which I didn't understand exactly, but maybe that's more about sales, like online sales. 2 is import, and then 3 was kind of like other not third party, but other Google systems that track for you. I can't remember the term they used. Yeah, so this is like more modern, performance advanced digital marketing. Original Google advertising was not like this at all. But I think that's basically everything. Google tracked. This is about conversion value. Yes. Okay. I wrote down one question. What are cookies? Does Google tag use cookies? Yeah, that's it for today. More learning, more progress. Talk to you guys later. See you.